Here we got a 1958 Fairlane 500, Ford Fairlane 500, top of the line. See all the extra chrome on here. It's a two-tone. Nice color, man. It's like sort of like a cream color and a beige on the top with gold insert versus all chrome. Two-tone interior, and you see like the goldish color in the seat there. It's all woven in there. It's not like one thread pattern. There's like 4 colors in that seat. Believe it or not. You got your 120 mile an hour speedometer, fuel gauge, temperature gauge right there by the speedometer, and looks like it's automatic, man, automatic. But everything's like color matched, and you notice you got your ashtrays in there in the back. Speaker in the middle there between the seat. Looks like he's got a deck speaker and a rear seat speaker. But you can get like, you know, umpteen different colors in the interior. Like unlike today, you just get gray or tan or something, maybe black. Back then, you can get your interiors two-tone with just about any two-tone combination on the outside and 2 or 3 tone combination on the inside. Actually, even the 60s cars were getting a lot cheaper metal, cheaper interiors, more plastic. And if you look at the 60s cars compared to today, they're infinitely better than the 60s than they are today, except for some engine management systems. But basically, I look at it like this: you don't need a body control module and the heated mirrors and all that crap. Maybe fuel injection engine management system, but you don't need a computer controlled transmission. I mean, even if you just had that engine management system with overdrive, these old cars would get the same gas mileage as the new ones today. All that other computer crap is a bunch of stuff that just can go wrong. It costs you $1,000 if you break a mirror on one of these new cars, man, or more. You know, but there's no styling in these new cars. They're just stupid, to tell you the truth. I love these old ones, man. Way better. And everybody's doing this stuff like they're drawing everything out in big draft boards, and they're coming out new models like every year. Unique. Everybody being what you knew what a Ford was, you knew what a Dodge was, you knew what a Chevy was, a Pontiac was. You knew what they were. Everybody was unique. No CAD cams, just drafting boards, and then when you made the real thing, you had to model it out in clay. And yet they were coming out with new stuff every year, radically changed. Every manufacturer. It's all human labor, man. So right from the mind, right from the heart. Big difference than back then and today. I think people today are lazy, man. The more computers you give them, the lazier they get.